you can always find somebody who you can work with and that speak that language.
I'll give you some actionable steps or suggestions. Whether you take it or not, up to you.
Please.
Write down your goals every morning. It's my goal book. Every morning, I write down the goals that I have, and I write them down in a fashion as if I would already have achieved it. Meaning, I married my girlfriend.
Right.
I drive this car. I make this much. We have this many employees. We, just every day. Just because that puts, and make it exciting. Don't make it like I make 10 grand a month. Like, make it exciting, like something that excites. Whether that's money or not, doesn't have to be money. Give me whatever. Exciting goal. This year I impacted. This year I changed this person's life. This year, right? Just make that every day, because that gets you exciting, and that moves you to actually pull through.
Right.
With doing a daily video. Because doing, or it doesn't have to be a daily video, but daily content. Because the first 7 days is awesome, man. Like, you do every day, and then you're like, ah, shit, man. Day 8, didn't do it all day. I'll make 2 tomorrow. Like, so you get into that. It's the same like exercise. It's just the same muscles.
Truly,
so that's what I would do. Just write your goals down every morning. Make 1 piece of content every day. See what happens after 3 months.
Right. I just can't agree more, because I think.
Sorry, make it a challenge. 90-day challenge.
Of course, 90-day too short. Let's
Start somewhere.
Let's just make it just make it 2 years. Of a challenge, because I think in the long run, overall, what does make difference truly is consistency. Is the key. You can be brilliant at some point.
Right.
But then, if you don't keep up with the same attitude, if you burn out, if you don't have, that's why
you need to show up every day.
Right. That's why I said overall, besides money, anything, this office, beautiful, beautiful view, everything, you have to be driven.
Right.
That's the main goal.
And what drives you?
Right. You have to have the reason why you don't want to go to the bed, and why you cannot sleep, and why you want to wake up early in the morning, early bird, before birds, and start working on what you like to do, which, like I said before, can be beneficial to everybody. Like you said, I want to marry my girlfriend. Well, look, you are going to make her happy. You are going to make yourself happy. So you are doing a good thing. Also, YouTube, you are putting out your quality content so people can see, so they can see the difference. So they value you. They give you value, which means that you can be profitable both ways.
Of course.
And I think that's what and then it's not a job anymore. You don't come
to work. No.
You don't come to the office. Why? Just because you don't leave the office.
No. And we have this with all. Like, yesterday was.
It's not the office. It's like me being here, not at the office. It's me being here. This is me. I am this sofa. I'm this couch. I'm this everything that you can see. That's me. Putting work into it.
And it's the whole team. Like, it's everyone does it. We had Chinese holiday yesterday. National Day, most important holiday. And Carmen and I were sitting here. She came to the office the day before yesterday, sorry. She came to the office at 1 o'clock at night, and we did an interview. We just sat here and like this, chat about sourcing, drop shipping, and stuff like that.
Right.
And, like, everyone here works 12 hours a day at minimum. Like, 12 hours a day is like a holiday already.
Right.
We're in here anytime. We don't sleep or exercise or do, like, we're here,
Right.
And everyone is pulling at the same, because everyone has the high goals and the high things. That's exciting. But I think where it stops is where people set reasonable goals. Reasonable goals. When you say, okay, I want to just materialistic shit. I want to have a Ferrari. But people don't put that on their goal list. They're like, maybe I can buy a C-Class Mercedes because that seems a little out of reach, but maybe accomplishable. You know what I mean? So they're like, okay, I want a C-Class. I actually want the Ferrari, but maybe I put down the C-Class. You know, that's not exciting. That doesn't get you out of bed.
No.
That's not
No,
exciting.
I don't think so.
So it has to be something just that's exciting. So
I mean, having either Ferrari or a C-Class.
I listen. I need to reply one thing very quickly. But I listen to you. Please go on.
Like having either Ferrari or a C-Class is what you actually do, and just for fun.
Whatever excites you, right? It doesn't have to be the car. It doesn't have to be. It
you know,
could
anything,
be
but
paying your parents' house off.
Right, truly. But what you get is what you do.
Yeah.
Overall, not like I'm doing for Ferrari only. I'm doing what I'm doing, and that's because why I'm doing this, I'm getting the Ferrari. I mean, I'm not competent enough to speak about the Ferrari just because I'm not on that level, so I just cannot. Maybe one day, you know, who knows? If I wanted to really, maybe I'm very persistent. You know, why not? And I have a lot of confidence, I guess.
Actually, think about that. The value you create. Let's say you have some sort of channel, and you pull out, let's say, $10,000 a month, because you have like a course, you have something you know that works. $10,000 a month. Let's say you profit half of it. Okay, so $5,000 every month. It's a profit. If you can put that company up for sale, you get about a 20x of the monthly profits. So just by doing that, that's $100,000, $5,000 profits times 20 is $100,000. I think people have like $100,000 is a lot of money, you know, and people go through a college debt and whatever to reach that kind of level. But if you think about it, it's really just you put out a daily piece of content, you monetize it, you get it to $10,000 a month, you profit 5 on that, you sell, when you sell that, that's $100,000. You get a 20x on monthly profits. So you do $100,000 by doing a video every day. Like, it's not crazy, you know? And I think people underestimate what kind of value they can create. And, you know, I think you just need to set the goals exciting enough, and this is where we can kind of leave it off. Like, this is all we can do for today, you know, for like in terms of steps. So goals, write your goals every day, set them, make them exciting, put out a daily piece of content. That's it. Very simple. Appreciate you, man.
Cheers, buddy.